This year, the coronavirus won't stop the G7 summit from taking place in person. Still, the pandemic remains top of the agenda. Ahead of the conference, European Union officials are joining calls to further investigate COVID-19's origins, adding pressure on China. A World Health Organization team in China earlier this year was not allowed full access to data.
We have to know where it did come from in order to draw the right lessons and to develop the right tools to make sure that this will never happen again. And therefore, the investigators need complete access to whatever is necessary to really find the source.
With the world still crawling out from under the pandemic's wreckage, G7 nations have acknowledged responsibility to aid less affluent regions and speed up recovery. One idea, waiving intellectual property rights for COVID-19 vaccines and treatments.
The question of intellectual property rights will likely be raised in this context. A patent waiver might sound good, but it's no silver bullet.
It's likely to be a contentious topic. France expressed support Wednesday, but the UK and Germany are against it. Meanwhile, French President Emmanuel Macron has called for pharmaceutical groups producing vaccines against the virus to donate 10% of their production to poor nations.
Governments using taxpayer money have injected massive amounts into financing research and helping accelerate the development of vaccines, as well as purchasing doses for their own populations. It is therefore legitimate to expect the pharmaceutical industry to contribute their share of solidarity.
Macron also urged leaders of the G7 nations to back a goal of getting 60% of Africans vaccinated by the end of March 2022.